While this feature has been around for quite a while, it's called swipe to call or to text. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra and also available in other Samsung phones. Make sure you're using the default phone app, this one right here. And once you're in this section here, whether you're on the recent or keypad, go to the three dots right up here at the top right. You'll see settings, and within the settings section, go down until you see other call settings right here. Once in the section here, you're going to see swipe to call or text. You can turn it on from here or go into it just to give you an idea of how it works. And basically on the list of all your contacts, if you swipe to your right, okay, so it says swipe a contact or number right to call them. So if you swipe going this way on your contact number, it's going to call them automatically. And if you want to send them a quick text, instead of going to the messages, find their contact, whatever, just swipe over to the left and it will take you to the texting of that contact. And if you don't like this feature, as always, turn it off. If you want it, turn it on.